Skylar takes forever in the grocery store. Skylar takes forever in the grocery store. Skylar takes forever in the grocery store.
Ew!
Skylar takes forever in the grocery
My face. No.
store. Skylar takes forever. Don't say. Oh, doesn't that bleach your hair?
A little bit.
Oh, well, mine's blonde.
That's your intelligence.
Bam! Oh, you take
So,
forever.
I expect to see this on YouTube. Yes, on your MySpace.
You can't say that.
Hey YouTube.
You can't say that.
Hey YouTube viewer. This is Jimmy's MySpace. She's big fat nasty slut.